Hello, my name is Rainer Hanekamp and this is Engine News with the latest updates from the Angular community in 100 seconds every week. Last week's main event was ngConf, an Angular conference where we had almost 10 talks from members of the Angular team. Unfortunately, the videos are not available yet, but they will be published on YouTube in a couple of weeks. Angular Nation published a video with Alex Rickerpo, a member of the Angular core team, where he answered questions about standalone components. Edge cases, like in the area of routing, providing services, or circular references were discussed. My personal highlight was Alex mentioning arguments for using the new inject function over the constructor-based method. For example, the inject function provides type safety for injection tokens, and we can hide certain DI requirements like the optional. It was a very educational video because Alex live coded and explained at the same time. Lars Nielsen started an article series where he discussed and will discuss various aspects of standalone Angular applications. The articles are very advanced, so the content goes more into detail than the official documentation. Other than that, Cypress, an end-to-end testing framework, was released in version 10.7. Its component test runner has generic support for projects that don't follow the Angular CLI conventions. Basically, this means it runs on NX. NX is a popular alternative to the Angular CLI, and it was also released in 10.6, which means it supports now Angular 14.2. That's it. Wishing you a nice weekend. See you next Monday. Goodbye.